So this question says the function f gives the product of a number x. Okay, so this sounds like it's going to be a translation question, right? We're describing something in English that can be written in mathematical terms. So it says the function f gives the product of, so basically f of x equals the product of a number, so x times, and a number that is 91 more than x. So that would be x plus 91, right? That'd be my number that is 91 more than x. Which equation defines f? Okay, well then I don't see this exact format anywhere, but I can simplify this by distributing the x, in which case I'd have f of x is equal to x squared plus 91x, which would tell me that choice C is the correct answer. Another way to approach this is through plug in your own number strategy. We know that we can use that strategy typically whenever we have a variable or multiple variables in the answer choices. The way that we approach that, and I'll use a different color here, is we make up a number. So if I said, let's say x is equal to 2. So then when I read the question, I'm using the number 2 instead of the letter x. The function f gives the product of a number 2, so 2 times, because product means multiply, and a number that is 91 more than 2. Well, that would be 93, right? 91 plus 2 is 93. And 93 times 2, let's go to my calculator just to make sure that I don't make any silly errors on the test. 93 times 2 is 186. So then the next step to plug in your own number is to take that same value that you chose, plug it into the answer choices, and see where you get a match for the value that you expect, the 186. So for choice A, 2 squared is 4, plus 2 plus 91. That would be equal to 97. So that is not 186. So that's why A is gone. For choice B, 2 squared is 4, plus 91, well, that would be 95. So that's also not 186. So that's why that one's gone. Choice C, 2 squared is 4, plus 91 times 2 would be 182. And 182 plus 4 is 186. So again, a different way of confirming choice C is in fact the correct answer. And let's just try choice D. 2 squared is 4, 91 times 2 is 182, and we add 91 to that, and that is not going to equal 186. So that's why choice D is gone. So two different ways to approach this, either through translation strategy or through plug in your own number strategy.